Are you looking for a solution to connect HubSpot to Google Sheets? Then I can help you find the Google Sheets HubSpot integration you need. Here's my review of Automate.io, and you can also watch my other reviews of connectors such as Supermetrics, GACon, Zapier, etc. I find HubSpot CRM to be super useful, but when it comes to building my weekly dashboard, I just dread this tedious copy pasting. It's such a waste of my time. So I've been looking for Google Sheets HubSpot integration so that I could build a custom HubSpot dashboard of my dreams. And my goal was that instead of recreating the same dashboard over and over again, it would be just there and automated automatically. So in this video, I review Automate.io to push HubSpot data to Google Sheets to be ready to be analyzed, visualized, edited, and transformed into reports. You can also read my whole blog article where I review all connectors between HubSpot and Google Sheets. You'll have the link in the description of the video. So, Automate.io. I find this solution to allow you to integrate your HubSpot and Google Sheets account without coding through a very easy drag and drop interface, so that you can map your Google Sheets columns to relevant HubSpot fields. Very convenient. It's super easy to do, and it's a great user interface there. So let's say that, for instance, you could choose to trigger every time a new row is added or updated in Google Sheets and automatically add or update a contact in HubSpot based on the email column in Google Sheets. I would say that this connector, I would advise it for people who have very simple use cases and look for a no-brainer UI. If it's your case, then it would be a good solution. But since it proposes only a handful of use cases, it might not suit you if you're looking for more complex use cases than just the basic stuff. A great plus, though, is that it can also connect Google Sheets and HubSpot with your other apps and run workflows across them so that you can trigger workflows automatically when things happen in any of your connected apps, which can be super useful. I don't know, like sending a Slack message to notify you of something. So if you run as little as 200 actions per month, you'll be able to use it for free. And you'll start paying $50 per month for up to 10,000 monthly actions. So the price is pretty fair. And you can definitely try it out if you don't have that many actions to just have a look and see if it suits your needs, if it's enough. There's also another solution I'd like to talk about, which is called Actiondesk. It's a spreadsheet that is natively integrated to HubSpot, which means that it is thought directly with the usage of retrieving data from HubSpot in a spreadsheet. So it's just done for this specifically. So if you have a dashboard that uses HubSpot data instead of, looking around the data and maybe downloading CSV and copy pasting and everything, there you just build your dashboard based on the data that is coming from HubSpot, and it's automatically updating the data because it's retrieving it from HubSpot directly. So maybe you'll be interested in that one and want to have a look at it. And you'll also have a link to Actiondesk in the video description. So hopefully I helped you today. And if you want to look around for other solutions, you might be interested in the other reviews, either in the blog article or in other videos. Have a good one.